Hello, my beautiful butterflies. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be another Labubu unboxing. I know, you guys. I have you on Labubu overload with the content, but I promise I'll switch up real soon. I've just been loving these little things and I can't help myself. So today I'm sharing with you their latest collection, which is the Pen for Love collection. If you follow me on TikTok, you would have seen me go into the store and look at this collection. And yeah, after that, I was in love. I picked up the box with the alphabets containing N through Z. And the first box is box A through M. And you certainly can buy these individually for $22.99. Each box carries 13 alphabets and one symbol, so you get a total of 14 Labubus in each box. There is a 1 in 168 chance that one of these can be a secret. And in this box, the secret is an explanation point, which for the first time, I'm not hoping to get a secret here because I want all of these colors. So let's get into this box and see what we have today. I'm so excited for these colors, and I'll show you why at the end. So here is all 14 boxes, and I'm hoping to get every single letter and color in this box. Okay, guys, let's see. Here is my first little box here. This set is designed in this pretty blue two-tone box with the pink Labubu on the front. When you turn it over on the side, you have all the Labubus in this set, along with that mystery secret one down at the bottom. And Partmark always puts their QR code along with the serial number on the box for authenticity. Okay, so let's dive into this first box to see what we have. I hope I don't have such a rough time opening these boxes because they can be challenging. So let's take out this bag. So here we have that drawstring bag, which I'm not too fond of. I just prefer the one you rip open. But here we are. We have the Pen for Love on the front in this blue bag with the teeth on the back and a blue drawstring. So in this bag, we have this bright, beautiful yellow. Each Labubu is 6 by 5 by 10.5 centimeters. I'll put the inches on the screen. On the hanging loop, there is a charm that has the Labubu, the letter, the teeth, and the letter again of the Labubu. You can open this strap up and add on more charms to spell out your name or initials. On the back of the Labubu, you will find the letter embroidered, and on the feet, you will find the stamping. And then you have your 2 tags on the side, along with your silver key ring that matches that charm. Each Labubu comes with a sticker, and it has its letter and letter meaning. And P is for peace. You should always protect your peace. So let's see what we have in this second box. Now, you know, I am hoping for the letter T, because for those of you who are visiting me for the first time, that's me. I'm T. If you are joining me for the first time, drop me a butterfly emoji in the comment section because we are beautiful butterflies over here. And I hope that you will hit that subscribe button so you can be a beautiful butterfly too. Ooh, look at this pink one. This is the letter Q. And Q is for quiet. I would say I'm a quiet girl. Next, let's get into our third box. I love how this collection has the letter and the meaning, and it's all so positive, and I feel the love. And I'm a love girl. I love giving it, I love receiving it. It's a beautiful thing. Ooh, look at this beautiful blue here. This is the letter O. Ooh, so gorgeous. Look at it right there on the back. And O is for openness. Now, that's something I struggle with, but when I get to know you, I'll open up. So let's get into this fourth box here. Will this be my letter T? I hope so. It will be a shame if I bought this whole box and there's no letter T and they replaced it with a secret. I hope not. Wow, this box is hard to open. And these days, y'all, I don't have the strength like I used to. So we'll just leave it right on in there. Ooh, this is another yellow one, but more golden yellow. So pretty. And this is Y. And Y is for yes. Yes, I love you. Okay, moving along to the fifth box here. Will this be my T? I don't know. We'll see. But I definitely want a green one. I want the black one and the red one. I already got the blue and the pink one. I just love all these colors. I want them all. Ooh, look at that orange. So bright and pretty. And this is the letter Z. Oh my gosh, this is fluffy. Ooh. And the letter Z is for zest, and we all need some zest in our lives, don't you agree? Let's get into this sixth box here and see what it's giving. The struggle is real. I'm trying to open these boxes, but y'all, it's difficult. I'm struggling. But here we go with that beautiful bag, and let's see. Is this T? Is this T? No, it's not T yet. T, you better get here soon. Okay, so this one is the and sign or ampersand sign, whichever one you prefer. The material on this one is not as fluffy, maybe because it's the symbol. So this is and you know we're friends, right? Okay, next we're on box number 7. Halfway there, finally, you guys. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to have to take a break after this one because my arms are tired. But let's see what's in this one first. All right, here we go. Here we go. Is it T? Is it T? Let's see. Nope. But we have another pink one, and this is a bright pink one too. And this is the letter N. And N is for nice, and I'm a nice girl. Break time is over for me, so let's jump right into the 8th box here and see what we got. Still no T. Where's that purple one I'm looking for? Again, the struggle is real with these boxes. Oops, don't let that little card come out. No peeking. So here we go here, and this is, drum roll please. Another pink one. Oh, this is such a pretty pastel pink. And this is the letter U. Look at that. So cute. And U is for unity. U-N-I-T-Y. U-N-I-T-Y. We're unity. In my Queen Latifah voice. Okay, so next we have the ninth box here. And let's see what's inside. What will it be? What color will I see? Ooh, I see green, my favorite color. I got my green one, and green is the letter V. This one is a little stuffed, and you can move the arms, the feet, and the head on these. And V is for victory, and I'm fighting for a victory for all of us. Okay, let's grab our 10th box here and see what's inside. What letter will I get next? Please let it be my letter T I've been searching for. T, T, come on, T, T. If only I can open this. Nope, it's not T, but it's the black one I've been wanting. And the black one is letter R. And the letter R is for respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. They better put some respect on your name. Next, we have box 11. Look at all those beautiful colors behind it. They're just making me so happy right now. So hopefully, this will be letter T. The way it's been going, I don't think it's T, y'all. So let's see what's inside of this one. Come on, girl. Open these packages. Why am I struggling? Ooh, okay. No T, but this is letter S. In this beautiful tan. I like this color. It's such a neutral color. And it's going to go perfect on all my bags. Look at that one. And S is for smile. Always remember to give someone a smile. You never know what day they're having. On to box number 12. I can't believe we're at box number 12 and I still haven't seen my initial yet. Come on, this has to be it. And still, your girl is struggling. Yes, I think it's it. I see that purple. Yes, yes, yes. I finally got my letter T. Y'all, for a minute there, I was scared. Yes, so gorgeous. This purple is so cute. And T is for trust, you guys. One of the important qualities to have. And yes, you can always trust me. Okay, next we have box number 13. And what will be in this box? Let's just see. We are almost at the end. I still want my red one though. And there's a reason for that. And I'll share it with you right at the end of this video. And this one is the gray one. Oh, that's a pretty gray. And gray is the letter W. Look at that on the back side there. And the letter W is for win. And I'm rooting for all of you guys to win in life. And here we have our last box. Box number 14. And I'm hoping this box contains my red one and not the secret, because I need that red color. It's so pretty. I got my fingers crossed on this one. Come on, red, red, let it be red. It has to be, it has to be. Yes, it's the red one. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. And red is the letter X. I can't believe how vibrant and pretty and bright this red is. It makes me happy. And X is for X Factor. And you are it. You're that X Factor. If no one has told you, I'm telling you today. You are special, and I love you. Okay, so here's all of my beautiful, colorful Labubus. And I chose these not just for the tea, but because they match all of my jackets from Lululemon. As you can see, look at this beautiful blue one here that will go perfect with my blue Labubu. Then I have this black and gray Define jacket here. That one's cute. And I have this bright yellow. You see where I'm going with this? My Labubus are fitting in just well. I haven't even worn this one yet. And look at my pink one. She cute. Brown. See? And my red one. Y'all, that's fire. I have one of my favorite purple sweaters from the loft. Look at that. That tee is gorgeous with that sweater. Okay, you guys, so that's it for today. That was my unboxing of my beautiful Pen for Love Labubus. I hope you guys enjoyed that. At least I know I did. I can't wait to wear these on my bags and have some fun with them, mixing them with my clothing. Comment down below if you have any of the Pen for Love Labubus, or tell me what you thought of this collection. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.